Once upon a time, in the lush green valley of Willowbrook, there lived a young dragon named Ember. Now, Ember wasn't like the other dragons who roared with laughter and breathed fire into the sky. Ember was friendly, clumsy, and most peculiarly, he had recently lost his fire. Ember waddled through the wildflowers, careful not to squash any tiny bees. He missed his fiery breath that used to toast marshmallows for the rabbit twins and light lanterns for the moths at night. But lately, all that would come out was a faint, apologetic puff of smoke. The animals of Willowbrook gathered one sunny morning. Squirrel piped up, "Maybe you've got a cold." My nose stopped twitching once. Mouse added, "Or maybe you need a little bravery." Ember's scales turned pink. "I want to help everyone, but what if my fire never comes back?" Just then, wise old Tilda the turtle suggested, "Sometimes when you lose something, it's because you're searching in the wrong place." Ember's ears perked up. "Where should I search?" "Adventure out, my dear," Tilda smiled, "and see what you discover." Ember set off through the towering trees, past bubbling brooks, and up misty hills. On his journey, he found curious things: a glass pebble, a feather from a blue bird, and a leaf shaped like a heart. But there was no sign of his fire. At dusk, Ember stumbled upon a cave. Out came a bat, flapping in fright. "Oh, I'm terribly sorry," Ember stammered. "I'm just looking for my fire." To his surprise, the bat smiled. "Maybe it's hiding because you need it for something truly important. What do you care about most?" Ember thought of his friends, of cozy bonfires and lighting lanterns on festival night. "I just want everyone to feel warm and happy." Suddenly, Ember heard a faint cry from the valley. Smoke billowed in the distance. Willowbrook was in trouble. Ember charged back, his heart pounding. A wild wind had knocked over lanterns, and now the grass was on fire. Animals rushed about, frightened and confused. Without thinking, Ember ran right into the middle of the chaos. He took the biggest breath he could. Out of his nostrils burst a chilly gust, no fire, but instead, a cool wind that blew the flames out. The animals cheered. Ember had saved them all, not with fire, but with something new. That night, as the friends gathered under the stars, Tilda said, "You still have your fire, Ember, just a different kind now." And so, Ember learned that sometimes what makes you different makes you special. And Willowbrook learned that the bravest dragon of all didn't need flames to warm their hearts.